In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix or turn on iMessage and FaceTime pop-up notifications on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max. Whether you're not seeing these essential notifications pop up on your screen, or you're setting up your phone for the first time, I'll guide you through the steps to ensure notifications are set up properly so you never miss an important message or call again. First off, let's check your notification settings to make sure everything is in order. Start by tapping on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Once there, scroll down until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. This will bring you to a list of all the apps installed on your device. Locate Messages and FaceTime in this list and tap on each one individually. Make sure that the Allow Notifications toggle is turned on. This ensures that your notifications are active. Additionally, ensure that all three options, Lock Screen, Notification Center, and Banners, are selected. This setup will allow pop-ups from both Messages and FaceTime to appear no matter what you're doing on your phone. The next step is to make sure that iMessage and FaceTime themselves are enabled. To do this, navigate back to your main settings menu, then tap on Apps followed by Messages. Here, you should see an option for iMessage. Ensure that it's toggled on. Similarly, go back to the app selection and select FaceTime this time around. Make sure the FaceTime option is turned on as well, so the functionality of these apps isn't unintentionally disabled. Another common reason for not receiving notifications could be that focus mode or do not disturb is active on your iPhone. So now let's head to the settings menu once more and select focus. Tap on focus to review the different modes. If do not disturb or any other focus mode is toggled on, this could be blocking your notifications from coming through. Simply toggle off any active focus modes, or alternatively, adjust their settings to allow notifications specifically for iMessage and FaceTime to pass through. Lastly, it's crucial to check that your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Updates often resolve existing bugs that might be interfering with your notifications. To check for a software update, head back to the main settings menu, select General, and then tap on Software Update. If you see that an update is available, go ahead and install it. Being on the latest version ensures smooth operation and optimal performance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix or enable iMessage and FaceTime notifications on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max. If everything is set up correctly, you won't miss out on any messages or calls moving forward. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.